I guess it's time to make another video. Uh, you guys have not watched the videos which I made. You have not taken the suggestions which I gave it to you, and you will do whatever you feel like, whatever you feel comfortable in doing. You will continue to do with the same thing. I know you will not listen to nobody. You will not listen to somebody who has had 11 years of experience, who have been through this stage. You will do what your friends are doing. Of course, why not? I'll also not try to give such weird type of advices, but I'm gonna be honest with you upon certain things in this video. If you are a fresher, if you are in a college in third year or fourth year, or you're applying for a new job, or you are just simply trying to switch, this is for you. So the thing is, you may try to you might be in a third year or fourth year of your college right now, and for the fresher part I'm gonna first take it, and you might be applying for a jobs here and there. You will search for the jobs, apply for the job, take your shitty resume, sir my resume, wear a nice shirt. If you're a girl, you'll wear a nice suit or some stuff like that, and you will be rejected. Yeah, you will be rejected. You won't bother, you will still apply, party with your friends, hang out, go for dates, cheat yourself, lie to yourself, lie to your parents, lie to your family, lie to your friends, speak all the false things just for the sake of having a fake image of niceness. It all is going to come down to you one day. You will get the realization of the failures only and only when you will cross the fourth year. You will actually go for a walk-in at the interview, and you will see all the kids there. Somebody are getting selected, they will have that resume and all. Some are having that sad face. At that stage you're gonna get this realization. The most stupid thing which anybody does at this time is they waste their time. They don't wake up early in the morning, they don't wake up at 5 a.m. They waste their time. They don't even apply for the jobs which they shouldn't be applying, and they waste their time. Every month they start wasting their time. It's gonna cost you. The time wastage is gonna cost you. You have to stop wasting that shitty time. Okay, that's the first thing which you have to do. If you are in that loop of depressiveness, suicidal situation, it will be there. It will be there. Be scared of short-heighted Indians. Be scared, be afraid, be respectful to anybody who you seem like is gonna be a threat to you while on the rounds of the interviews. Yeah, look at them like a piece of cake. Thank you, sir, please hire me. Have that earnest desire in your body language or in your resume. Do one thing right now. If you are watching this, simply type no code, low code jobs in Google. Simply type no code, low code, and just start applying to those jobs with whatever shitty resume you have. Just type it on LinkedIn, no code in the jobs, and simply search. You will get around 633 results right now. Yeah, go ahead and type with the shitty resume. Because you do not have the time. I know you are a very busy person. You don't have a time to update your resume as per the technology. No, you're not gonna do that. If the position says for a low code, no code web developer, no, you will keep the same resume, right? Same Excel shitty you Excel, and you will throw that there. No. You will take all the advices during the course of switching your job, or during the course of finding a better job. You will still find the rejection in that. You got to apply 3 things. Yeah, it's gonna work. 3 things you have to use, and for 3 months you have to follow it. Refrain from any sexual activity. Yes. Whether you are a girl or a boy, that's a first thing. You have to refrain from any sexual activity. No bad things. No watching any dirty things on your phone or texting about that. And third thing is prayers to the God. Whichever God you follow, I don't care. These 3 things you have to follow for 3 months. Not only it will clear your soul, clear your mind, it will give you energy. It will give you energy, man. Yeah, you're wasting your time in so many things on your phone. You know it, how you're wasting your time. You know what are you seeing in your phones. Your friends know everything about that. You know where are you going after, what apps you have in your... I don't want to talk about it. You follow these 3 things for 3 months. It's gonna create havoc in your brain, you know. It will fry you. By not watching all these things, by not doing all these things, it will fry you up. Take a deep breath and let yourself get fried in that steam, in that oil. It will be okay. Within 1 week, you will realize what I'm saying. Within 2-3 weeks, you will realize what I'm actually saying. Yes, you will realize. Just follow it for 2-3 weeks. Do refrain from all these shitty activities. One last thing I have to say, like as soon as you are passing out, you are in the 4th year, you will see, your placement department is gonna not make you sit in those companies when they come because your percentage is less or some kind of criteria you are not selected. Make sure you start applying to jobs everywhere all over India. Make sure you have resumes of different categories. Yeah, make it. It's you have your laptop. Use AI to make your resume if you are really scared. Of all the skills, make the resume. Make the resume for all the technologies. Even if you don't know it, it will take you 1 week. 1 week of daily YouTube videos for about 16 hours. If you watch a YouTube video for any technology for 16 hours for a week, won't you learn it? You will learn the basics, man. Come on, you are not stupid. You are a computer science graduate. Even if you are switching for 1 week, learn it. Now, if you are switching, there is a one thing, like they will check what all previous thing which you have done. So for entry level, it will be difficult. But if you are an entry level person who is applying for a job which requires an experience, show that in your resume. Write it. Write you have done POCs, proof of concepts. You have done it. Put your GitHub link. Put any link. Show proofs that you have done it. Let the person judging you know. See, they know who you are. The HR knows who you are. The hiring manager knows that you are a newbie who is trying to get a job. They know everything. They want somebody who is cheaper, easily available, easily moldable, whether a girl or a boy. Do not be flashy. Show that you know it. Tell that you will learn it. Show them that kind of energy and that kind of desire. They should feel it that, yeah, this guy looks like he doesn't know it, but he will be able to search it, Google it, and do it for them. Last thing, communication skills. Indians have one of the most fucked up communication skills I've ever seen. I'm an Indian as well. I hope my communication skill is okay, but it's something you have to work on. You have shitty communication skills, I know. You cannot be a business analyst. That's why business analysts are usually Americans, because they have better communication skills. They know how to talk to the client and how to be respectful, nice, coordinate. Improve your communication skill by hook or crook, by any way. By whatsoever way you think you're gonna improve your communication skills. Watch movies with subtitles. Start writing English. If your English is poor, you're done. 90% Indians have shitty communication skills. They are not able to speak to the client and to the interviews also. Simple thing they can speak, and that's about it. Fix your communication skill from whatever background you are. English communication top should be there. That's about it. I hope you get something.